A freezer that builds up ice can be a frustrating issue. But there are several possible reasons for this problem. One common cause is a defective door seal, which can be identified by cleaning and drying the seals, then placing a dollar bill in the door and trying to pull it out. If the bill comes out easily, the seal is likely faulty and may need to be replaced, possibly with the help of a professional. Another reason for ice buildup is placing wet items in the freezer, as the water on these items will freeze and worsen the problem. To avoid this, it's a good idea to keep a towel nearby to dry any items before putting them in the freezer. Additionally, leaving the freezer door open for extended periods allows warm air to enter, which meets the cold air and causes condensation and ice to form. To fix this, it's recommended to reduce the frequency of opening the door and to keep it open for shorter durations. By following these steps, you can help to fix your freezer and prevent ice from building up.